The GMC Hummer is a wild electric offering available as a pickup or SUV. It delivers wicked power, downright shockingly good off-road performance assuming the trail is large enough, and a 0 to 60 time that is borderline dangerous given the tonnage of this thing. There's always room for more though, right? GMC believes so because the Hummer EV has a few surprising updates in store for the 2026 model year. And yes, one of them is that this thing is now even quicker. Previously, the quickest version of the Hummer EV could rattle off 3-second 0 to 60 dashes. This happens in the Watts to Freedom or WTF mode, and it really is a wild experience. The dash display is dramatic about the drive mode change. You put your left foot on the brake, mash the throttle, and the Hummer instructs you to lift off the brake. When you do, the nose feels like it points to the sky and your ballistic battleship rockets away from the line. The front end gets so light on initial takeoff that you can feel the steering temporarily worsen as you reduce the front tire contact patch. It's hilarious exercise at attempting to defy physics. Well, now there's a faster version, the Carbon Fiber Edition. That's a pretty funny name for a vehicle that weighs as much as our own moon. Still, this package is offered on the 3X pickup and SUV. That would be the 3-motor variety, and these get a 24-module battery pack. There's also a bunch of software and motor calibration tweaks to enable over 1,100 horsepower and around 1,200 pound-feet of torque. It's not 13,000 pound-feet as GM likes to say. That's measuring wheel torque, which is not the standard motor or engine torque typically quoted by everyone else. Regardless, the Carbon Fiber Edition can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. Being able to move this much mass this quickly should almost require a secondary certification on your driving license. It's wild. That's not the only fresh party trick for the 2026 Hummer. However, as GMC is taking its crab walk mode to a new place with the even more aggressive King Crab mode. While Crab mode has the front and rear wheels moving at the same angle and speed for a more compact slalom sort of action around obstacles, the King Crab mode has the rear wheels moving more quickly than the fronts. This gets the back end around more quickly to better navigate tighter terrain. Judging from the footage GMC produced, it's also a sort of off-road drift mode if you want it to be. Just please don't use it to tear up any trails. Have fun, but be smart about it. If you already have a GMC Hummer and feel a bit left out by not having King Crab mode, fret not. The hardware for this has always been in place. 2022 through 2025 Hummer EV truck and SUV owners will be able to get access to King Crab via an over-the-air update set to be sent out later this year. Finally, the 2026 Hummer adds bi-directional charging with both vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-home being supported. Super Cruise gets a few updates, the damper tuning has been optimized for improved ride quality, and there are a few new interior and exterior color options. No word on pricing or the driving range of that Carbon Fiber Edition, but GMC says that info will filter out closer to when the 2026 models arrive at dealer lots later on this year.